this is E20 blending which the government has announced. Do I have an opinion about it? Yes, I do have. So, but my opinion is not based on political influence or affiliation. My opinion is based on pure common sense and science. So what I understand that ethanol is hygroscopic, so it attracts moisture. So the fuel tanks where the fuel is stored in the petrol pumps, they should ensure that the stored fuel which has got ethanol blending has no way to come in contact with water. Okay, if it comes in contact with water, and if the percentage of water contact or contamination is more than 8 to 10%, then the blended fuel might separate if it is kept in a static condition for a longer duration. Now, as far as E20 is concerned, they have rolled out it 5 years beforehand because it was scheduled to be rolled out in 2030, but they have rolled it out in 2025 itself. And the government is citing so many examples of benefits to the country, like fuel import bill is much lesser and the farmers are getting handsomely paid, blah blah blah. So I will not get into that. What I wanted the government to also ensure is that for those vehicles which are not E20 compliant but are E10 compliant or E5 compliant, they should have given provision like we have in our fuel stations, separate containers for E20 fuel and E20 but XP95 which is having some additives, and XP100 also in very isolated cases. So what I understand about this is this, if they can provide separate chambers for storing and distributing XP95 and normal petrol, okay, and as well as XP100, then if not in all fuel stations, okay, in a city or in a tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 towns, at least 1 or 2 or 3, in big cities maybe more, some petrol pumps could have been equipped with a storing facility of E10 fuel also, so that those consumers who are having older vehicles did have a choice to fill their fuel according to their manual, car manual, what the car manual says. Anyway, I'm a common citizen, so मेरा बात तो सुनेगा नहीं कोई. So now we are left with E20, which is a standard fuel that we are getting across the country according to the government, and I'm not very sure whether it is still E20 or if it is already E22 or E25. You never know.